And in golfing action this week, it was the Delhi launch of Birdies in Business.
First of all, congratulations. I've always wondered one thing. I mean, everyone plays golf as a stress reliever. For me, golf is the only form of stress in my life. So I've never sort of understood how anyone gets stress relief from golf. So my first question to you, how do you cope with, sort of stresses and pressures? For me, on the golf course, I feel pressure, anxiety all the time. So how do they, or these great CEOs, deal with pressure and how to sort of come over that hurdle or obstacle which might help me on the golf course?
First, I'm going to tell you a bit about how I would imagine. They don't have those $1 million running in on that putt. You can be sure it's $10 or $1,000 at best. So I guess that takes away a bit of those beads of sweat from coming down. Shiv, but tell us a little bit about, one of the reasons why we have this gathering here is because I think this is a very important juncture for golf, and the fact that business and golf are so connected. I don't think one could survive without the other. I mean, golfers and golf need the backing of the real moneyed guys.
Yeah, I mean, I think what I do, I wouldn't be doing what I do if it wasn't for the corporates. I think anything in the world, the economies are dependent on each other. What's happening, the Euro crisis affects us. Over here affects my golf. And, the money that I play for, the $1 million putts that you talk about, only come because of, corporate backing, the banking industry, automobiles, McDonald's included, everybody, puts in money into the sport. And that's why we play for what we do.
I think some of the times that you play with several corporate captains, what is the one thing that you guys learned from them?
I think a lot of the top CEOs that I've had the privilege of playing with, you see how they conduct themselves and you see why they are in the position that they are. Sitting behind a boardroom, or what do you find out about a person in a 30-minute or 40-minute meeting? But if you spend 5 hours with somebody on a golf course, you can pretty much make out what kind of person they are. So I think I learned that, you have to behave in a mature manner. There are not many sports where you can do that. Football and cricket, you can get away with a bit of temper tantrums. But in golf, people are always, all eyes are on you and you've got to conduct yourself well.